Hey, what's up guys? I'm going to show you how to change the cabin air filter on this Prius. So you open it, there's this little tab over here. You could kind of squeeze the notches together and pull out the little actuator. And then that's the easier part. Now you try to squeeze the box inwards because there are tabs holding it in. So let's start on one side, push it in, there you go, pops out. Get a better angle for y'all. And over here is the box where it is, and you can see the airflow arrow. You could pry that open, and then you can pull out the filter. You can see it's pretty freaking disgusting. I got a new one from Amazon. This one cost me roughly 15 or 20 bucks. Let's open that. Remember the airflow points up, so take note of that. This one airflow's up, so we'll slide that in. Yes, definitely goes that way. Alright, so now to put it back in, oops, I almost forgot to put the lid. Put the lid on. Alright, that's nice and solid. And now clip these guys back on. And then to shove it back in, you just push it in and it comes back on. And the actuator, you could just pop it in, so there you go, easy peasy.